Welcome to Selection Sathi. Today we learn Linux file operations, copy, move, find, grep, and the powerful pipe and redirection system. These commands form the backbone of daily Linux workflow for any developer or admin. Let's begin. First concept: cp and mv. cp copies files. cp file.txt backup.txt creates a duplicate. For directories, you must use -r for recursive, cp-r source dest. Without -r, cp refuses to copy a directory. Add -p to preserve permissions and timestamps, essential for proper backups. mv serves two purposes: it moves files to a new location, and it renames files and directories. mv old.txt new.txt renames the file. mv file.txt/tmp/ moves it to the tmp directory. Second concept: find. Find searches for files and directories recursively starting from a given path. -name with a pattern matches file names. Find.-name*.py finds all Python files. -iname does case-insensitive matching. -type f matches only files. -type d matches only directories. -size +1m finds files larger than 1 MB. The most powerful option is -executive. It runs a command on each result. For example, find.-name*.tmp-executive rm braces \semicolon deletes all temporary files. The braces represent the found file. Third concept: grep. Grep searches for text patterns inside files and prints the matching lines. Basic usage: grep pattern filename. -r searches recursively through all files in a directory. -i makes the search case insensitive. -n adds line numbers to the output, very useful for debugging. -c counts the number of matching lines. -l lists only the file names that contain matches. -v inverts the match, shows lines that do not match the pattern. -E enables extended regular expressions for complex patterns. Fourth concept: pipes and redirection. The pipe symbol takes the output of one command and feeds it as input to the next. lspipe grep.py lists only Python files. You can chain multiple pipes. cat log pipe grep error pipe wc-l counts error lines. Greater than redirects output to a file, overwriting it, echo hello greater than file.txt. Double greater than appends without overwriting. To greater than redirects error output. Ampersand greater than redirects both standard output and errors. Less than reads input from a file. Pipes plus redirection give you incredible power for text processing. First example: copy directory recursively. cp-r myproject/myproject backup/copies the entire directory tree. We verify with ls myproject backup and see all files including src, readme, and makefile. For a proper backup, use cp-rp. The p flag preserves permissions, timestamps, and ownership. The entire directory tree is duplicated in one command. Second example: find files by extension. Find.-name*.py-type f searches from the current directory. It finds src/main.py, src/utils.py, and tests/testmain.py. To count them, pipe the output to wc-l, find with the same flags pipe wc-l gives 3. You can also search by size. Find .-name *.log-size plus 10m finds all log files larger than 10 megabytes. Third example, grep pattern in files. Grep error app.log finds lines containing the word error in one file. Grep-rn error var log searches recursively with line numbers. The output shows the file name, line number, and matching text. Add -I for case-insensitive matching. It catches error, error, and error. Grep-rc error var log *.log counts matches per file, great for quickly seeing which log file has the most errors. Fourth example, chain commands with pipes. ls-l capital S pipe head -6 lists the 5 largest files. do-sh star pipe sort -rh pipe head -5 shows disk usage sorted by size. cat app.log pipe grep error pipe wc-l counts how many error lines are in the log. You can save any pipe chain's output. Just add greater than report.txt at the end. Pipes are what make the Linux command line truly powerful. Quick tips. Tip 1. Use cp-rp to preserve permissions and timestamps, essential for proper backups. Tip 2. Find -executive is powerful but slow for many files. Use find pipe xargs for better performance. Tip 3. grep-rn is your best friend for searching codebases, recursive with line numbers. Tip 4. Chain pipes for powerful one-liners. Cat log pipe grep error pipe sort pipe unique-c pipe sort-rn. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.